Welcome guys, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I'm gonna give you a tour from the Nice River area. So you know Nice River is on the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So you're gonna see how the area set up after Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica. So we're gonna do a drive-through tour of this area from Nice River, go down to close to, not really Balaclava, but I drive through the community and show them what I want. Yeah man, big up yourself anyway I watch from. Yeah, and abroad. Big up on yourself. See, eh? So please visit our beautiful island Jamaica and also visit Nice River, Manchester. So yes, my beautiful people, so we are in Manchester, we are in the Nice River area. So this is on the border of St. Elizabeth and Manchester, guys. So take a tour and this is what it looked like after Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica. So stick and stay, watch what I go on. So I'm a tour guide, this is no Fire Reid. Tour Jamaica, different places in Jamaica. And leave in the comment section if you know this area. Yeah man, leave in the comment section. So when you're in the Nice River area, it's about roughly 10 minutes drive to Balaclava, which is Balaclava is in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. And when you're in the Nice River area, a lot of events always keep in this area, like on holidays and Sundays and Saturday and Sunday. You see people washing their clothes. You know, it feel nice when you're on a river. When you wash your clothes, people are cook them pots same way. Just the vibes. Nothing cannot beat the vibes of the countryside, you know? See a lot of kids over there. So indicate where you're watching from. Man, the road kind of bad still now, so we gotta take the time and go through. So there is no place like home, Jamaica. So we call here so Oxford, and you're right, you have the Oxford grocery shop. Yes, my people. them people that go through, you know. So we're heading to the sign that you see. It mark Oxford, Balaclava, Acton Betty. So my eyes are yours, yeah. Like you might get some soup or some. Where the pan? You don't have that. Oh yeah, soup I think. Get that soup for me. You do? I'll show up here. Yeah man, so the power journey same way. Just get a hot cup of soup. Yeah man, if you bust the gas in the morning, yeah. On the right, you have the M&M part shop. Oh man, so you see them selling bike parts and things, you know. Always remember to wear your seatbelt, guys. Yeah man, sorry about that. Can hear the beeping. Yeah man, so reach up on the main. Oops. So this main can take you back to Comfort Hall and also to Balaclava, Mile Gully, Mandeville, Magati. So guys, I'm gonna make the right turn, which takes us to Balaclava. Yes, people. So guys, thank you all for stopping by. We are now at the intersection to take you all to Roses Valley.